Now, the final finishing touches. This is the make or break. This is the deal breaker, this is the man maker, this is the move makers. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you exactly what wheels we're putting on today. This is a special shout out to Fuel Wheels for giving us these wheels. They're Fuel Forged wheels. We've done the Anthracite all the way around, the candy apple finish. These wheels are 20x12 with the candy apple red on the Fuel Forged, and also we've got the red center cap, also in candy apple red. That's how you stretch a tyre, bro.